everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to view the password of the Wi-Fi network that your computer is currently connected to. So let's get started. Click on the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar and select Network and Internet Settings. Then click on the Change Adapter options. Double click on the Wi-Fi network and select Wireless Properties. In the Wi-Fi Properties window, click on the Security tab. Under Network Security Key, check the Show Character box. The password will be displayed. That's it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.